what we do is we have all the items delivered here prior to your renovation. So rather than have them delivered to your home, with all the horror stories of the tiles just being dumped on the council footpath, not arriving, being unsightly, all those sort of things, we've developed a system now where all deliveries come here during office hours. Our admin staff accept the deliveries, invoices are checked. The items are actually unpacked, Adrienne. Oh. They're unpacked, not totally, but opened up enough to see if there's a major blemish. If they seem okay, they're closed and a quality sticker is put on. I could actually grab one later and show you. And that lets the contractors and the owners know that we've accepted the order and we've had a look at it. This is done weeks or months prior to the renovation. Then what happens one day prior to the renovation, the big van backs in, all your stock is checked, everything's checked, goes into the van, then it gets delivered on day one. And we have this all famous appointment called check measure appointment. That's prior to starting of a bathroom. At check measure, we check a few home rules, like where the guy's going to use the bathroom. We'll stay away from your lovely Sir Walter turf, etc. And one of the questions is where are we going to store your PC items? So it's usually a room next to the bathroom. The PC items, I call them PC, provisional cost, bathroom wear items, shopping list items, are all delivered on day one. And then our project manager, the first day or second day, then Adrienne asks you to come in and physically opens up the items.